Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for the Idiot Quilter and Bland Designs. And just a little notice here that yes, I'm going to have a pop-up crafting and sewing day tomorrow, Saturday, April the 23rd, 2022, starting at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and going until I get bored. So I may be on a little earlier than 8 a.m. So if you're up at that time, then please join me. So what are we going to do? We're just going to sew or craft and talk and have a little relaxing day for, I don't know for how long, as I said. So for a few hours anyways. Keep me company while I work in my sewing room, and I'll keep you company as you work in your sewing or crafting room. And this is open to anybody at all that's a maker. So if you want a little time for yourself, want to do something you really enjoy, then I hope you'll join me tomorrow, Saturday, April the 23rd, 2022, at 8 a.m. or thereabouts Eastern Standard Time. And we'll see you then, I hope. Bye for now.